It's an organization that needs to be funded. Yonke organization ayahambi ngaphandle kwe-finance. It's a culture organization. You're organizing people to come in one room, hlala nonke la, yanifundisa, nikelani. Mawaqeda ukunikela, hambani emakhaya.
My leadership, the administration of the church is a life of God. You receiving the life of God.
Yeah.
Then now the local, I'm not centralizing.
Okay.
Remember, my leader,
if you say you are called,
Imam Pat.
Imalapaya. Ushumayela unga-collect offering ubona lento usazoyenza na.
Listen, my leader.
Ubona lento usazoyenza na. Ubona ukuthi I give you 1 year without you collecting offering because you don't collect tithe like this, but you collect offering.
Listen, my leader.
Unga collect umnikelo uthi bazalwane nonke fikani lana nginishumayeza mangicela unishumayeza hambani emakhaya.
Yeah, listen, my leadership. The organization may fail, which is the physical proceedings.
You are encouraging people to come in one. It's a culture.
But the church, my leadership, listen, my leader.
No, answer me. Who is in the post?
It's me.
Exactly. So which means you are running the church.
Yes.
And then when people come, we have a shumayeza. After bashumayezile, angithi kule nto ine culture le.
Yes.
Kune mhlambe 10 minutes, 15 minutes of correct offering.
Yes.
Yes. Uyibiza ngani le?
My leadership.
Organizing people.
Like the way abanye abayenza ngakhona like mina ngoba ngumuntu wakudala ngikukhumbula ukuthi back in the days besihlonipha isonto but now we don't do that.
Exactly.
Thina kuqala le fashion le khona ngomdlozi back then isangoma besihlonipha
I-culture ayingeni evangelini ngoba ikhoyi elisindisiwe sithini ngekhoyi elisindisiwe lihamba nqunu kusho ukuthi alikwazi ukwamukela uJesu.
No,
I don't understand.
Ayingeni i-culture evangelini.
No.
Nali ikhoyi elifaka amabhesha ehlathini lona ukhonza uJesu. Kumele bamkhonze kula mabhesha bamfaka. It's not about the appearance yakhe. No, akusintshumayelo is the truth.
Baba uya preaching wena.
Once wafaka i-culture evangelini khona abantu abangeke balamukele. Khona abantu abangeke balamukele ivangeli.
mfundisi okay